Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to derive the distance formula, that is distance between 2 points in a 2D plane. Let's draw the x-axis and the y-axis. Let us denote the horizontal line as x, OX as x-axis, OY as y-axis. Draw line segment, one point with A with the coordinate ax1 y1, another point as B x2 comma y2, and let the distance between AB be denoted by D. And the distance formula, what we are going to derive for the 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is given by D equals to root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or this or D can be under root x2, D can be x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This D equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is for the line segment whose starting point is x1 comma y1 and ending point is x2 comma y2. Then distance formula for this one is D equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and this D equals to under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square is for the line segment whose starting point is x2 comma y2 and ending point is x1 comma y1. Okay, in this, that means the formula is written on the basis of the points what you suppose, okay, as the initial point and the terminal point. Draw line AP perpendicular to x-axis. Similarly, draw AC perpendicular to BQ. Then the measurement of OP will be x1. Right over here, OP equals to x1. Then PA will be y1. PA is equals to y1. OQ is equals to it's x2, and QB is equals to y2. This one is x2 till here, okay, this one, and from point B, okay, it is y2. Let's see in the figure. PQCA is a rectangle. It means its opposite sides will be equal. What will be the measurement of PQ? In a line segment OQ, we know the value of OP as x1, OQ as x2, then PQ will be OQ minus OP. Measurement of OQ is what? Is x2 minus OP is equals to x1. Means this one, PQ, its measurement is x2 minus x1. As PQCA is a rectangle, then its opposite side will be equal. Therefore, what we can write, AC is equals to PQ. It means the measurement of AC will be also x2 minus x1. Likewise, CQ is equals to AP or PA. its measurement is what? y1. Means this part is y1. They're equal. Simply this side is equals to this side. What will be the measurement of BC? What will be the measurement of BC? BC is equals to it's BQ minus CQ. BQ is the full length, CQ is one segment or one part, then BC another part is obtained by BC is what? Whole BQ minus CQ. BQ is what? It's y2. CQ is what? y1. Means this BC measurement is y2 minus y1. As let's see here, as triangle ACB is right angled at vertex C, it means we can apply Pythagoras theorem over here, as Pythagoras theorem is applicable in right angle triangle only. As a triangle AC is right angle at C, that means the hypotenuse S will be the side opposite to right angle. It is hypotenuse. This side is hypotenuse. Which side is hypotenuse? That is AB. And what is the measurement of AB? That is D. What we have supposed. As the reference angle is not given, we can suppose any side as base and perpendicular. Okay, for base I'm going to suppose this side as base. Okay, base means what? It is BC, and the measurement of BC is what? It's y2 minus y1. Similarly, now perpendicular, the remaining side will be perpendicular in what? In right angle triangle. As we have supposed, the longest side or side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. One side is base, another side is perpendicular. For perpendicular, the measurement is what? It is AC, and its measurement is x2 minus x1. Now, by using Pythagoras formula, that is h square equals to p square plus b square, or h equals to longest side is SD whole square equals to perpendicular is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or D equals to whole square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Therefore, D equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So, in this way, we can derive the distance formula between 2 points.